It's the moment we've been waiting for.
You want to go up there and put that seat down?
Headrests are off for space saving. And so we can move the seats all the way forward. Or all the way back. So I guess I can put those back in. And there we go. It's all ready. Don't know how it's going to be with a mattress topper on there because this is how many inches? 7.5 inches there for bins. So for me, it'll be fine. I don't know about the 6'2" kid that'll be with me. Super easy to fold up so I can use the back seat. It slides right in. And then we have room for other passengers if that would be the case.
Might have to take and pull this back. Just roll back.
So, what was the final cost? Do we know? About 200 bucks? One piece of plywood
no,
and
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 30 bucks for the plywood.
it was 40 for the
60,
plywood.
40.
So about $100.
Yeah.
Cheaper than a hotel room. So these are the bins I got at Walmart. They are just a cheap Sterilite bin, 28 quart, and we measured them to see, before we purchased them, to make sure that they would be the right size. And I got 4 of them, thinking that I could do one here and one further back. So it fits great. We'll see if 2 will fit in there. I don't know. No, so it's fine. What I'll do is use the other bins and just store them on top and remove them and maybe put them in the front seat when we sleep. We definitely could read the instructions, but they're not.
I'm reading the instructions.
Oh, you are reading the instructions? And why do we not know what we're doing?
Because it's hard.
I think we have the gist of it.
Yeah. Okay, so these corners right here,
Yeah.
those need to go up against. This back one.
It's kind of like putting on a fitted sheet.
Yeah.
I think putting a fitted sheet on an RV bed would be easier. I'm just saying. And then this one's
This corner needs to be, all the way back to this corner.
I'll also add he's 6'2". I'm only 5'4". I don't know if I could do this if I was traveling by myself. It's definitely a challenge. I would have to stand on a box or some kind of a milk crate because I'm not tall enough to hook up these underneath the tailgate up at the top. And we have the wind working against us as well. think that was only about 10 minutes, give or take, to put it up with him doing it. Like I said, I'm only 5'4". I don't know if I'd be able to do this by myself unless I had maybe a milk crate to stand on. So now we're gonna take it down to see how easy it is to take down and put away, because every place that we go, I don't think we're gonna be anywhere more than one night at a time. So we're gonna need to know how hard is it to take down, how much time we're gonna need to allow, and putting it back in that bag the way it came out. Kind of like rolling up a sleeping bag, I'm assuming, but let's take a look and see what we can do. Or the wheels themselves. For us, it worked out that it was the wheel wells, and then it was on the roof on the luggage rack. There are additional straps if you don't have a luggage rack that will help you attach it to the car accordingly. I want to add that it's about 80 degrees out here with about 90% humidity, so we're a little bit hot. So this is a little bit difficult. It looks like it was pretty easy to take down. I'm excited to sleep in it the first night. It's going to be in a couple of days, and we will come back and let you know how it worked.